Haven't even tried to start it yet. Even though I cleaned the car after it's had a rebuild kit, the float is still leaking. But she has sat for an eternity, so I kind of understand really. Do you kind of understand? And it ain't even dripping now. Like, nah, she sounds crazy. She's loud. She sounds crispy. What, first kick, yeah? Let's have a look. What do you reckon? Oh, I can't even kick it on a stand. First kick though. She's loud and myself. Something's wonky. Oh, it's not. Still. How is she going to wonk in a stand for? She's so loud under here. Oh, the kids are shouting at me. Yes, Moo! She sounds naughty though. And she ain't even hot. Go on, a proper first kick this time. Let me put myself weight on her. What do you know? What do you know? I really does this thing, you know? Not a drip. Not a drip. That was a pretty brutal first start, really, but come on. What do you know? Do you know? Come on.